In this video, I am going to show you how to cancel your YouTube TV free trial to avoid being charged once the trial period ends. Canceling is a simple process, but it's important to do it before the trial expires to prevent automatic billing. Start by logging into your YouTube TV account on the website or app. Next, go to the Settings menu and select Membership. From there, click on Cancel Membership and follow the prompts to confirm your decision. You may be asked to provide feedback about why you're canceling. This step is optional. Once canceled, you'll still have access to YouTube TV until the end of the trial period, but you won't be charged afterward. If you subscribe through an external platform like Google Play or Apple App Store, you'll need to cancel through their respective subscription settings instead. For example, on an iPhone, go to Settings, your name subscriptions, and find YouTube TV to cancel. Always double-check your email for a confirmation message to ensure the cancellation was successful. If this video helped you cancel your YouTube TV free trial, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.